Okay, we're filming. This is another Walmart, upstate New York. Just a different Walmart. I guess I go in over here. Pretty. Very pretty surrounding area. Beautiful. See what we can find. Don't mind when I point the camera down sometimes. I just don't like flashing certain things or certain people, or I like to stay, doing what I'm doing and not just flashing. But I will show things, I want to show Walmarts. This one I was in, oh boy. I was in this probably before. Get a little disoriented where things are. I can see where the jewelry's right here. Let's see if they have anything. I already see yellow tags. I got to pick up one more knife if they have it here. Look at these kits. Watches. Nice gifts. Cool little gifts for someone. Comes with a multi-tool. Women and men watches, but not looking at that. Oh boy, look at this. Got a lot on sale. A little higher prices, but then, usual. A little higher prices. $14. How could it went to $14 only? Come on, give me a break. It's a $19 watch. $19 watch. $14. They can't do better than that. That would have been a great gift for somebody. So yeah, there you go. You got some sales. I got this watch. I got this one here. And I got this one with a red around it. This is a nice one too. $22 ain't bad. This is a beast. This is a beast of a watch. So yeah, they have some sales here, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is where I found the Timex and the Casio. But the prices, they're clearance, $14. Where did they come up with this 14? It's I don't know. It's got to be a little cheaper than that. Come on. They're getting a little crazy now. There's the Amatrons. I don't even see the regular watches here. It's a little weird Walmart. Let me see if I see anything else. I see the regular Casio, just regular watches that aren't on sale. Well, see it through the mirror. There they go. There they go. Hey, clearance. I got this watch. It's fantastic. 200 meters waterproof. It's in the clearance. Some of them even the clearance sticker back on the regular shelf. All the Timex, all the Casios are out. See if they had the Timex Shock. I'm just curious. $41. This one. I don't even see the Shock one. That's not it. This as much as the Shock one. It's a nice Timex Iron Man, but it's not the Shock. I'm almost certain that's where I got mine. I got the heart rate monitor one. There's the Shock. There's the Shock down there. There's the Shock. There it is. $41. I'll double check it. The Shock. $41. Damn, if I didn't have to play the lotto, I'd buy it, but I'm going to wait on that. Something tells me to wait on that. Let's see if we can find the Ozark Trail. There's the there's G-Shocks. Same typical case of G-Shocks. Nice one over here. This is a nice one, and this is one of my favorite. I know all Walmarts are different. So let me ask someone first. Let's see if I could ask. This guy's walking around. Boss, excuse me, where's the multi-tools, boss? Guess he's busy. Nice gentleman. They got the food over here. I want the food. Let's see if I can find this stupid thing. So that was the watches. Couple nice sales, but $14 is the best they could do. It's not bad, $14, but you know, I'm just a little disappointed because sometimes you get them for $5 to $10, and you got to remember the ones that are on sale are not even G-Shocks, but it's still a good deal from $19 to $14. Where's the multi-tools there? Down here, multi-tools.
Are you telling me, sir?
Yeah, multi-tools.
Would be down in the corner in hardware.
Hardware? Thank you. You talking to me? Yeah. I don't know. You talking to me? No one else there. I'm not talking to the clothing. Down in hardware. Oh, it's got to be down here somewhere. They're all different, these Walmarts. They're all different. One more Walmart will put them all where they usually are. The other ones will put a display case in the front because they're new and they want to blast them out to everyone. There's the knives. Oh, man. Look at that chisel. This thing is a beast. Titanium. Camillas. They don't make them in New York anymore. Let's see what we can find. They might be here. They might not be. There's the other knives. There's the other knives. I'm dying to get that Gerber center drive. Let's see if they're in the Ozark Trail. I might have to end this video if I can't find it. See, there's the Ozark Trails, but where is the new ones? This Walmart, something's telling me it's not here unless it's way up there. It's hidden out. Anyway, let me see if I can find it. I'm going to end the video here. No sense in walking all over the store. Everybody have a great day. I'll be pumping out a couple more videos soon. Have a great day.